Hey everyone, Ryan from Taylor Racing. Yes, I know it's been a long time since we've done a vlog or a video or anything, and it's because I'm kind of lazy and I've been busy, but I'm back at work down in New Mexico, so where the Raptor is. Anyway, so the Raptor's down here. It now has 241,000 miles, which is like 380K. It's a lot of miles on it, and it is in need of either replacement or a rebuild. So what do you guys think we should do? Obviously it needs a lot of stuff. As you can see, it could use a paint job. It needs suspension work, like the shocks are just blown out because we've been jumping the truck, going through rivers, sand dunes, just the dumb stuff that we do here at Taylor Racing, but we have a lot of fun with it. And I might add that this truck it's pretty bulletproof. We've had to rebuild the transmission and the transfer case, but again, it's because we've been jumping it. We've been doing all the Raptor kind of stuff with it. So here it is. It needs tires, it needs suspension, probably brakes, definitely needs a paint job and a new wrap. So it also probably needs some bumpers, because the back bumpers here, we've got somebody hit us in BC, northern BC. You can see we have got the wicked duct tape and zip ties. Well, zip ties on the back bumper. We need some paint work here, obviously. Tires, as I said. And if you look up here, the top of the windshield, definitely needs a paint job. And of course, a casing truck on a rig smoked into the front of the truck here. So as you see, we've got duct tape. It's been like that for about 4 or 5 years now. So that's the Rally Raptor, 241,000 miles, 380K, whatever that works out to in the metric system in the Canadian land, and that's it. That's the Rally Raptor. So again, I apologize for not doing any videos lately. Please subscribe, share, like it, send me your comments. Tell me what you think we should do. Do you know what kind of bumpers we should run? Should we put bumpers on it? Should we put a winch on it? Or should we just replace it and get something new? I need to know. Subscribe, Taylor Racing. This is me, it's Ryan, in Roswell, New Mexico. Cheers everyone, chat soon.